Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a tofu bake on camera to show all you vegetarians out there. I like peppers, poblano peppers, jalapenos, sweet onion, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, mushrooms, and bell pepper. Now that we have all the vegetables chopped, I've got the pot ready to boil off my broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. I'm going to start sauteing the peppers, mushrooms, and onions now. I like to add various seasonings to my vegetables, as well as butter and olive oil, garlic, Mrs. Dash, pink Himalayan sea salt, and pepper. And now that the vegetables are done, I go ahead and add the tofu to the pan, as well as the broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. Throw it in a baking pan, add cheese, throw it in the oven for 20 minutes, and we have a tofu bake. I like to add smoked Gouda cheese to the top of my tofu bake. That was the sound of the oven saying it's heated. So I'm going to bake it now for 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. Cheers. Okay, the tofu bake is done and ready to eat. Let's go ahead and plate it up, and I'm going to add some sour cream. Cheers, everyone. If you've made it this far, please leave a comment down below. And there we have my tofu bake. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace.